am Dr. Max, and we, as usual, here at Dr. Max Restoration Center in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And now Josh is here with me, and you won't believe he had his surgery, actually big surgery, just 2 days ago. Today is Wednesday. He had his procedure, we call it Celebrity FUE procedure, on Monday. And look at him. He looks like nothing happened, right? Can you take off your hat? Look at this. So you can hardly notice that anything was done, but actually he received, how many grafts did we do?
2,200.
We did 2,200 grafts. Usually when we talk about taking 2,200 grafts, we're gonna see everything shaved in the back, shaved in the front. And then of course it takes some time to recover, regrow this hair back that was shaved before the procedure. But with this Celebrity non-shave FUE, you feel like celebrity, right?
Yeah, I'm not a celebrity, but I feel like it, yeah. It feels like nothing happened. Yeah.
Right, so you went to your dad's party yesterday, the next day after surgery.
Yeah.
With wearing this hat, and nobody knew that he had a big surgical procedure the day before. How many hours did we spend here?
We were together from 5:30 in the morning to like 7:15 at night.
Yes. So not all this time was surgery, because he had 2 hyperbaric treatments to do exactly what the intention was, is to facilitate your recovery. So it does take longer. This Celebrity non-shave FUE do take longer than others, but not by much, maybe 2 or 3 hours, right?
Right, well worth it. And we had lunch.
Yes, and we had lunch in the middle too. So,
correct.
So the first part, I did harvest it from the back, and the way we trim the hair, so that each layer overlaps each other. So those little areas that we trimmed, they're completely covered in here, right? So how was your experience? What do you think?
So first off, I spent about 2 years thinking about different surgeries. I spoke to 3 different doctors, and after doing research on 3 different doctors, I felt most comfortable with Dr. Max. We had never met previous. No doctor that I talked with or interviewed actually performed the whole surgery. So Dr. Max was with me from the second I got in early in the morning until the end of the day. He actually did his own shaving. So we spent a lot of time and interest in making sure it looked perfect. Then Dr. Max actually pulled every single hair follicle out by himself. And then after lunch, he actually implanted every single follicle in. So it was seriously one-on-one. I've never met a doctor that spent so much quality time with me, like just beginning to know him. Now I feel like I've known him forever, and I could not be more happy with the procedure. 2 days out, everybody told me, don't worry, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't feel anything, and until you experience it, it's unbelievable. There was no pain through the surgery. It's just a long day, but the next day I woke up, I felt great. I went to a party. No one knows I had the surgery, and then 2 days later, with the help of the hyperbaric chambers, I really feel it's incredible. I could not be happier with results.
Great, yeah, so this is, again, not everyone is a candidate for this type of procedure. You have to have a long hair in the back, in the occipital and temporal areas, so we can work in between. There's some limitation how many grafts we can obtain, of course, because it's a non-shaving procedure. So we were hoping for 2,000. We got actually more, 2,200. Right?
We probably could have got some more too if we were more aggressive on the shaving. But
and we work on the areas of thinning the frontal area and the crown area. Can you bring your chin down? You can see most of the hair went into the frontal area. Some of that, about 1,000 grafts, went into the crown area. Again, this is only 2 days after procedure. Again, here we have a physician-driven clinic, so in the patient-centered clinic. So everything is revolving around 1 patient per day. We know it take more than 1 patient because we want to dedicate every effort, every minute of every ounce of the staff to ensure the best success rate possible.
And the staff's amazing. top notch. Honestly, couldn't be happier. So,
how do you like the facility? This new facility?
State of the art, brand new. My dad picked me up the first day. He walked in and he said, "This is the nicest doctor's office I've ever seen."
Oh, bro, see, that's not me. That's actually my wife. She does all the aesthetic part of the surgical center. Okay,
Amazing.
so yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it.